Hello, welcome everyone to question number 16. Serialize and deserialize a binary tree. From the topic trees in Geek for Geeks must do coding interview questions. Have a quick look at the question and we'll be discussing the meaning and approach behind it. Before that, if you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe our channel and support. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment down below. We will be very quick to respond. Now coming to the question. Now by serialize and deserialize, the question is simply saying that we have to convert the given tree into a list. Okay, we have to convert this into a list of elements. This will be known as serialize. And what is deserialize? Deserialize is the opposite. Now we're going to convert this list into a tree again. So this is what serialize and deserialize mean. Now we have known the meaning of serialize and deserialize. Now let us do the same. Let us start with the serialize. Now we have to convert the tree into a list. How can we convert that into a list is we're going to use pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal. While we're doing this pre-order traversal, in the same order, we're going to insert this element into a list here. Okay. Suppose this is the list variable that we have taken. Now pre-order means root element, then the left side, then the root of that again, then left and right. Let us start from the top. First element will be 10. That is our root. Okay, we got our root first. Now the left side. In the left side, we have to take again the root. That will be 20. Okay. Now we have taken root. Then left side of that is 40. Since there is no element, we are going to insert 40. Then 60, then the right side of the root 10 element will be 30. Since there is only one element, we inserted. So this will be our pre-order traversal list. Okay, this is our list of pre-order traversal. Simply, you can say this is a pre-order traversal we have inserted successfully. But how will we know the child elements? Okay, the child elements can only be known if the both left and right side elements are none. So we have to know that child elements are none, so we can stop inserting the elements again. So this will create a problem if we try to deserialize. We cannot decide what is the child element. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing. We're going to insert elements, but whenever there is a child element, for example here at this 40 position, the left and right side elements are none, so we're going to just insert none values only. Now while we iterate and again change to a list, it will know if there are two nuns are there in a row, then that means it is a child element, we cannot insert further. So it will shift to other side. Okay, this is the left side, right? So it will shift to the right side after that. Okay, now 40 none is over. Now it will insert 60, then again none. Okay, after that 30 will be inserted. Again for 30 also it should end the list here. So for that we will take two nuns here. Okay, this none will be very helpful to identify what is a child node. Okay, this is the first step. Now we have inserted all the elements by using a pre-order traversal. Now we're going to use the same list to deserialize. This is a serialize method. We have serialized successfully. Now we're going to deserialize in the similar manner. Now we're going to take a node element and we're going to do a tree insertion now. Okay, we're going to take 10 first. Okay, now remember, whenever there are none values given one by one, we're going to change the direction. Okay, first 10 will be inserted into a new tree. 10 is fine, and we're going to insert in the same way and it will form a pre-order tree. Okay, 10 is inserted. Now 20, so left side will be inserted. Okay, this is also tree order traversal insertion for the tree. So 20 will come on the left side. Now there is 40 here. 40 will be inserted on the left side. And then there is none and none element. Okay. First none will say the left side element is not present. So it will shift to the right side of the 40. Now it shifted to right side of 40. Again for that also we have none. So left and right side of both elements are gone. So what will it do next is it will shift to the next side of the previous element. Now the current element has ended, so it will shift it to 20. Now right side of 20 is 60. Now it has shifted, 60 is over. Now again none values are given, to the left none and to the right none. Now it can end the insertion here. Now it will go to the next element. Okay, because the insertions are over, the two none while saying insertions are over. Now we have 30 as the final answer. So 30 will be inserted here. Then we have two none values. We will insert them here, none and none. Since we don't have any elements inside this will be our final tree. Okay, and this is the deserialization. I hope you have understood the method and also how can we approach it. If we have doubt, just see the let us just see the coding section part. After that it will be very much clear to you. Now we are inside the coding section part in Geek for Geeks website, and you can see this serialize method is just using a pre-order traversal. Okay, first we are inserting the root element, then we are iterating left, then we are iterating right. While doing that, we're following the pre-order traversal method. Okay, and all the methods have been, all the elements have been inserted inside the array list here. Okay, after the pre-order traversal is over, we're going to return the final list, and after that we have got the list. We're going to use that same list inside the deserialize method. Okay, and here we're popping one by one elements. Okay, one by one elements means from the left side, because in pre-order traversal we have inserted from left to right side inside the array list, right? So in the same order, in the same pre-order traversal order, we're going to remove one by one element and we're going to store it in a value. Now we will be checking if value is none or not. If value is none, then we are saying simply node will become none there. Okay, if value is not none, then we will be inserting that element directly. But if node is none, just assume if the node is none here, will simply return none element, and that will be the end of that side. Now it will change to the different side. In this if case, you can see both left and right side. As long as node is not none, it will satisfy the condition. It will call the deserialize function again and again till the last node reaches none. Okay, for left side value, if it reaches none, it will return node, so the dot left will be none. So it is changing side. Now left side is over, now it is changing to the right side. If right side is also none, then the if condition will be over, right? Then it will also return node and it will change to the other, other side of the element. Okay, in this way we are able to use serialize and deserialize. If you have understood the code and also the approach in the presentation, just give us a like, and if you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe and support our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in another question.